funny show.
Tweet, 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 tweet.
Remember your mane when we were kids? It was all the colors of the rainbow.
Pony, try to fit in.
Oh, okay. See, your snout's not missing, dog. It's just invisible.
Okay, to the park!
With pleasure. I will now defeat Dog and Pony at badminton while improving the quality of life. Jonas Bot is out of control!
Dog gets that way on the dance floor sometimes, don't you, buddy? Dog?
Yeah, thanks, Ref. I'm fine. But the snack cart isn't. Gone bananas?
Dog, this is no time for fruit jokes. I can't go on tonight looking like this.
Whoa!
Yep, from 3 containers. Bon appetit, ants.